Yeah, we got the pan belly. Check on the many, make it sing like a navy. From Jim and say I do, then we ram out the cemetery.
Trinidad. Wonder if them know say we Trini bomb buckle bell bad. What's good YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, and I'm back in full effect with another video for you guys. Now I want you guys to like this video. The first thing you need to do when you click on this video, like in the video, because you know what? You know what I realized? The other backside Caribbean island represent a wicked for them place. When I say like the video, 200, 300 likes, I might get a while go on. Like up the video. But we have Tafari, fully active official video. Let's see what's popping for this video right now, people. Song been on for like a week, I think, but you don't really rush a reaction. I get anything. You know what that go. You see me? I say I don't know if you recommend it to get it. You see me? I decide there right now. Yeah. So let's see what I go on for the second some people. And the video and thing, we'll see what I go on. Hopefully this video doesn't get blocked, because I realize some video might get blocked like left, right, and center, and you don't know say. That really kill the vibe, really kill my energy. I'll be honest, I don't know none of that. When I react to something, dog, I'ma edit it. As you can see, I edit my video, man, thing, dog, and post it. The video get black. Like when you can copyright the one buck bell, some let things stay on YouTube, no? For the people who can see the reaction. I hear a song, you know? I hear I make money from it. But guess what? That now nothing further with me. So I'm going to what go on. Run tune. Run to 40K Israel. Subscribe.
Simple.
Alright then.
Tough.
Go global, baby.
Go global, take myself.
Yeah, we got the pan belly. Check on the many, make it sing like a navy. From Jim and say I do, then we ram out the cemetery. Full of waste, we kill it down, we mind never shot a terry. Feed them bad, this face out them favor the blackberry. Bullet down them head like when I block with sight a cherry. Bust them head, then fuck them girl, she say she love it missionary. Bumpton, St. Paul, fully 6, ever ready.
Fully active, put the boy in a casket. If you never born a killer, this are nothing for your practice. Fears them say him bad, but when them see me, him turn active.
Yeah.
Get teams scatter, winter, them made them mark me.
Alright, pause. Make a pause, cause I know me still don't react to the song and not even watch chat. You know what I mean? But alright, we like what go on so far, you see me? I like the view already. I miss on the wide angle thing, yes, you understand? Yeah. And I like how the cameraman, you know what I mean? I go with them play with it. You know, go on. Like that scene right there, so I go, him could have turned my phone upside.
The boy in a casket, if you never born a killer, this are nothing for your practice. Fears them say him bad, but when them see me, him turn athlete. Make it teams scatter, winter, them made them mark me. Anyway, we chuck a foot, dog a bear dog.
That me a talk
about. Go anywhere, fi catch it target. If your body fish friends stink like a rima fish market.
We mash boy head badness.
Stink like a rima fish market.
Teams scatter, winter, them made them mark me. Anyway, we chuck a foot, dog a bear darkness. We heartless, go anywhere, fi catch it target. If your body fish friends stink like a rima fish market.
We mash boy head badness, not that. Yeah, we love flick dopey, we evil and we cruel. One press and them arrow to the moon from out there.
He just say that he love flicking duppies. He's evil and he's cruel. Hold on. Let me hear what the artists say, people. Go on.
Market. We mash boy head badness, not that. Yeah, we love flick dopey, we evil and we cruel. One press and them arrow to the moon from bring out the rifle, them a shot long like spoon. The punch them off enough to share for you and your crew. But the girl and all be pushy, then she get dirt. Yeah. Me not beat boy if you them turn black and blue. Just a be a caution, tape in it and me pass you. And we no name Francis Fashion, but we full up of the shoe. Kill them with precision. Never shake you when me roll up on a mission. Here tactical scope, cause we take it in vision. Shoot them in them neck and them me shot off in the fan. So from them pussy, them this us. Everything from the evil side, I bump them, they go lift up. Them know we have a kind of air, a different type of glow. Park the car on the top, walk down on them block. Catch a pussy as them done by twos and all the shot. Flick dopey, we evil and we cruel.
Alright then, what your thoughts on the song? What your thoughts on the song? I can show this all our vibes. This is me and say, I say all our vibes, so that's like for real. But you know really, you know, like I try. You know I go to extra to the way I will have vibes, oh yeah, chill. You understand? I never deal with it. Yo, what up? No, we are chill today. What your thoughts on that song? I'm like, that song, like the video most of all. I go with that video highly. The video clean. I like the video. I like the visuals to me. I prefer the visuals over the songwriter. Something like
Rifle and me shot long like spoon. If I'm drum off enough to share for you and your crew. If your girl and all be pushy, then she get dirt too. Me not beat boy if you then turn black and blue.
Get
Just
bumped
a
down by some
fashion,
no
tape,
lie.
pass you and we not name fast as fashion, but we full of body shoes. Because we fully active with them, we in a gasket. You never gonna kill her. This a nothing for your practice. Fears them say him bad, but when them see me, him turn hot. Wicked team scatter when them in the bank pit. Yeah, we artists. Anyway, we took a foot
fully active. With the 8K outside.
Never kill a man, tell me who them boy bad for.
Murder boy. We murder boy. Go and go, but make myself again. Murder boy.
Don't tell them already. Fully auto, never beat the bouncing.
Okay. Media rich, big up yourself also. You know, chap, go ready. Yeah, me and some the boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. I recommended the song, y'all got it. You see me? I wasn't really in the you know, the reaction boss kinda angry vibe. We also chill vibes today, but I hope y'all enjoyed that video regardless. You understand? I'm still posting a video for y'all every single day. Go and recommend some more videos you want to see me react to. Keep subscribing to the channels because you know I have a vlog channel right now that I'm posting every day, and also while I'm posting on this channel every day also. So I know what that go, right? So just do the right thing and subscribe with notifications on. Check out the vlog channel, link down below in the comment section, pinned top comment. What else did I mention? You know, that is it for this video. Peace out.